Hey guys, it's Manaki Senpai, and in this week I'll work on the combat system. Today is Monday and I think I'll implement the basic melee attack. So for first, if you know how my game works, basically you can move with your mouse or your controller like this. The movement script, I'm working on the movement script, so it's kind of buggy right now. So basically you move like this. This is also your aim. So if I press A, this A here, and my mouse cursor is here, and I want Arcane to attack in this direction. So but how will the player know that this is the attack direction? Because the Arcane sprite can currently only face in 4 direction. In future it will face in 8 directions, so here, but still it's not accurate enough. So when the player will press A, there will be an arrow which will point towards which will be the aim. For the melee attack it's not that important, but once you get into range attack, the aim is very important. So the arrow will indicate where the attack will go, and you can aim while pressing A, and when you let go of the A, the attack will happen. So for example, let me show you in Hyperlight Drifter. So in Hyperlight Drifter, you can aim like this. Do you see that cursor, small cursor up there? And then you can shoot. So similarly like that. So in my game, you press the A button, the aim will come up, and when you let go of the A button, it will shoot. So this is my A. This will be my Q. So I will go ahead and implement the aim system, and I'll be back. So I wrote the aim script. So let's see if it works or not. Oh, okay. So I fixed the bug, and now it should work. Okay, this time it definitely should work. Oh yeah, it works. Thank God. That was so hard. So yeah, this is the aim. It won't, like right now you can see the aim, but in game you will only see the aim when you press the attack button. Hey guys, it's Tuesday, and yesterday I worked a bit on the aiming system, but before I make the attack system, I need the health system in place, because if you attack someone, they have to take damage, and if there is no health, what if there is no health, then what damage? So yeah, change of plan a bit. So I'm currently, the UI looks something like this, which is like meh, pretty shitty. So instead I'll work today a bit on this and make it all pretty before I put the health system down. This is a time lapse of me working on the health system. It's Thursday today, and yesterday I didn't get any time to work. Sometimes you have bad days, that's fine. So today, on Tuesday, I finished this health bar. As you can see, the health bar is working now. I mean, I just have to add the health script. It's not scripted yet, but you can change the thing from here. As you can see, the health going up and down. So from 0 to 1 should be the limit. Same with the XP and mana. And on the star there will be one level, say level 1, level 2, whatever the number display thing. So yeah, I'll work on that now. Just like code the XP bar and the level, and then create the first attack, the basic attacks of Arcane. I think today I'll just code the uh, actual attack and I'll do graphics tomorrow. So see ya. So I'll work on that and I'll be back. Okay, so I finished the coding of the attack. So you see that red cursor as I move my mouse around? Yeah, that circle is the radius of attack. So whenever I press A, anything that circle will get damaged. There is no attack animation yet, obviously. So I'll work on the animation stuff tomorrow. I'll just finish the coding stuff today. So yeah, I'll just have to clean the code of it and add an enemy, or maybe I'll add the enemy tomorrow only because there is no attack animation. It won't look really nice. So I'll just clean up the code now. Yeah, that's all. Here's a bit of behind the scene code rundown. So there is the cooldown of A button, which I can determine. So let's say 1 second. This is the ticking of cooldown. So every second the cooldown will be decreased by 1. That's this. This is weapon number. So if in game when Arcane changes the weapon, this number will be changed. This is CDR. If Arcane has cooldown reduction, then that. This is the position of attack. This is the range of attack. This is the damage. So in update, this is the tick being ticked. So the cooldown is being ticked. So from 1 it goes to 0. Then when it is 0, so if tick is 0 and I press A, so when it is off cooldown, when the ability, and I press A, then it honestly this time there is no way weapon can't be found. So yeah, so the cooldown gets resetted, then switch case weapon. So whichever weapon Arcane is holding, according to that damage and stuff happens. So this is the position of the attack and this is the damage. Currently it's just do damage because there is no enemy yet. Once there will be enemy, I'll just do that damage script there, and this is the gizmos. So yeah, it's pretty simple script, to be fair. Not much happening here. But as weapon goes, I can just add case 2, case 3, case 4 and give the weapon number from here. So whenever in the inventory weapon is swapped, this int variable will be swapped accordingly. So let's say if the Kama, the normal Arcane weapon, is 1, so this one will be this code will be executed. If let's say Arcane holds a sword, then there will be another sword code, case 2 code here, etc. So this is just A, then there will be QWERT, then SDF. Yeah, so that's all the combat stuff. This is called for A. I should write it actually. So this is the A attack. There will be QWERT. Yeah, QWER attack. A attack. S is interact. D and F is also attack. So QWER is spell 1, spell 2, spell 3. QWE is spell 1, spell 2, spell 3. R is super ability. D is ultimate ability, and F is legendary ability. Hey guys, it's Friday. This is future Manaki. I'm recording right now. I didn't realize that audio was playing in the background because I thought if I mute my system volume, as you can see down there, it's muted, then OBS won't pick up the audio. But obviously, that's not how it works. So yeah, the audio is ruined. So basically, what I was saying is, I was I was working on Arcane's walk animation, and today is Ludum Dare, so I have to edit this video quickly. That's why the editing quality is bad for this video. I'm sorry. That's just how it is. So after like I need to rush because I'm participating in Ludum Dare. Yeah. All right. So after a lot of work, this is the finished version. That's southeast walking, and this is southwest. I can't wait to actually start working on Arcane because even the prototype looks good. This is the prototype version with Arcane without any clothes. But yeah, it looks good, honestly. Yeah, so now north, east, and northwest. I don't think I can finish the attack animation by today, so that will have to wait, I guess.